We all know how annoying it is when dust and debris build up in our air vents, cup holders, and tiny crevices that seem impossible to clean. But this high-tech cleaning putty is designed to stick to dirt and lift it away effortlessly, with no mess and no residue. Let's put it to the test. Perfect for car detailing, gets into nooks and crannies like vents, buttons, and cup holders easily. Super easy to use. Press, pull, and watch the dirt disappear. Reusable and long-lasting. Use it multiple times until it turns dark, then store it for next time. Multi-purpose cleaner. Works on keyboards, remotes, calculators, and more. Mess-free and residue-free. It picks up dust without leaving sticky residue on your hands or surfaces. Lightly scented with cherry blossom. Because cleaning should smell as good as it looks. If you're a clean freak, a car enthusiast, or just someone who loves a dust-free ride, this cleaning gel is a must-have. No more struggling with cloths and brushes. Just press and lift for instant results. Ready to make cleaning your car effortless? Click the link below to grab your car cleaning gel.